Hey everyone, I wanted to share this quick tip for the YouTube community because YouTube is primarily where I search for my information. And I was resetting my Fitbit Surge so I could give it to another individual. And I couldn't find anywhere on YouTube where it told me how to factory reset my watch so that the data would be fresh for the next user. Well, as it turns out, I jumped up on the Fitbit community, you can see here, and it looks like my answer is solved here. Now, you actually can't perform a factory restore on a Fitbit Surge. If you check this out, basically what happens is your data from your device is synced onto your iPhone via the app and then stored on your account. Now, that means that most of your important data is going to be saved within your on your app and obviously which is connected to the online database for Fitbit. So you don't need to reset to a factory default your watch. You simply need to have the new user download the app on their phone and set up an account. Whenever they sync for the first time their phone with their Fitbit Surge, it's going to automatically adjust all the settings, including the time and date, the sex of the individual, the weight and the height, the stride, all those different things. So hopefully that helps. That actually really helped me. There is a way to just do a reset on your Fitbit. If you want to see that, go ahead and check out the links in the description box below. I made a quick video showing how to do that. Otherwise, again, if you're looking for the factory reset, it simply doesn't exist on the Fitbit Surge. Hopefully that helps, friends. Stay tuned. We're going to have more iPhone, Mac, Fitbit, all sorts of cool tech features coming up soon on this channel. Subscribe, like if this has helped, and we'll talk to you again soon.